I hope there will be some sort of reburial and that this is just temporary. The military told us to put the bodies somewhere cold. The only cold place now are the basements. But there are people in basements, so bringing the dead to the people is just... So we bury them here. The day before yesterday we buried a man aged around 45, my neighbour. It was a stroke or a blood clot, something like that. He was just standing and he fell down. All of these events, emotional stress, concurrent conditions, a man just died. We buried him the day before yesterday. Today, his mother died. She was around 70, maybe a bit older. She was worried about it and her heart. She just died. Also, my neighbour died. Uncle Valera. These are all our neighbours. We're living in the same hallway. They weren't killed by shrapnel or grenades or anything like that. It's just a consequence of war. All that military action. The bombs didn't kill them. But the situation they were in did. The basements, the lack of physical activity, stress, and cold as well.
We have been in a basement for 11 days. This is the 25th day of the war. We have been counting every one of them. We hope for the best, to live as humans. The apartment has been wrecked. Everything is broken. Where can we go from the basement? We're cooking on fire. For now, we have some food and some firewood. In a week, we will have nothing, no food at all. What should we do?